What's the first thing that sticks out? Our arms are the problem area that we never seem to be able to find a solution for until now with the Shape-Weight. Shape-Weight is the flab-busting breakthrough that trims your arms and shapes your shoulders at the same time.
It's right in the back of my arm. Definitely the tricep area.
Oh my gosh, I can feel the definition already.
That's a real workout.
You just shake it back and forth. There's no motor, no batteries, and you get the results you want.
In a matter of seconds, you feel it really working your muscles. My arms feel worked. It's definitely a good workout. I'm feeling it in my chest and my biceps and my triceps.
Inside the Shape-Weight are dual moving weights called dynamic inertia that simultaneously target and engage your biceps and triceps. It's the power of 240 muscle contractions per minute. In fact, if you had the Shape-Weight in your hands right now, you'd feel the results before the end of this commercial. Now you can wear the dress styles you want, the chic blouses that show off your arms, even those cute t-shirts that make casual look just a little sexy. Call now to get your own revolutionary, easy-to-use Shape-Weight for only $19.95. Plus, if you call right now, you'll also get this easy-to-follow workout DVD, which shows you how to maximize your results with the Shape-Weight, a $15 value, free with your order. Shape-Weight comes with a triple money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, you won't pay a penny. Have your credit card ready and call the number on your screen or go to Shapeweight.com. Get the sleek, sexy arms and shoulders you want with this easy 6-minute workout. Call and order your Shape-Weight today.
To order, have your credit card ready and call 1-800-342-7814. That's 1-800-342-7814. Or log on to Shakeweight.com. Call now.